Everyone is talking about AI jobs these days, and the truth is, some AI jobs pay insane salaries. Surprisingly, some of these AI jobs are accessible even if you have zero tech background. So in this video, I'll show you the highest paying AI roles in 2026 and why the demand is skyrocketing and how you can prepare even if you don't code or you are not a technical person. And at the end of this video, I'll also show you the easiest AI jobs that you can break into. That may surprise you a bit, but make sure you stick with me. So for this video, I've pulled data from different reliable sources like the World Economic Forum Future of Job Report, LinkedIn hiring trends, and industry surveys from across different industries. So this is not just guesswork. This is real data, real numbers, real trends, and real companies hiring people with AI skills. AI adoption is exploding across industries: healthcare, finance, fashion, entertainment, e-commerce, you name it. And companies actually struggle to find people who can actually build, deploy, and maintain AI systems. And that's why when they find these people, they are ready to pay through their noses just to retain them. So the roles that pay most in the AI job market are the roles that combine technical skills, product impact, and business understanding, because those are the roles that directly move the needle. Talent are scarce globally, but on the other hand, right now, the non-traditional candidates, that is people who do not have a tech background, are able to break in if they're able to demonstrate skill and impact. So even if you do not code, you can prepare for AI careers, and here is how. The first thing you need to do is to build foundational skills, and by foundational skills, I mean skills such as data literacy. So you need to learn how to effectively use a tool like Excel. You need to learn machine learning and AI basics. There are so many online courses where you can learn this one. Secondly, you need to learn how to use AI tools. So AI tools such as ChatGPT, large language modeling APIs, and data visualization tools as well. Another thing that will help you is to focus on impact. So those small portfolio projects will really help solve real problems and showcase them. And also networking and visibility in the AI community, maybe community of content creator in AI, or employers, or even employees, or people who are trying to do the same thing as you. Try to be visible in that community and network as much as possible. Now that you understand why the demand is huge and how you can prepare, here are the top 7 highest paying AI roles in 2026. And remember, at the end of the video, I'll show you how to start and where to learn the right skills. So make sure you watch till the end. Sitting at number 7 is AI governance and compliance specialist. And these are the professionals that ensure that the AI systems deployed in a company meet the regulatory, ethical, and compliance standards that are set in place by the government. This is a well-paying role where you can earn up to $80,000 annually, and no matter the country that you are in, it is well-paying. To start in this role, you need knowledge of AI regulation, data privacy, and risk management. If you have a degree in law, philosophy, or whatever study or field of study you are in, it doesn't matter. And all of the skills that you need to learn or courses are online, and you can go for it. Number 6, AI infrastructure engineer, and these are the professionals who deploy, scale, and monitor AI systems reliably. It is well paying. You can earn anything from $130,000 annually. No matter your country, is still well paying. This one is indeed technical, and to start, you need to have strong programming skills. You need to understand machine learning algorithms and also have a knowledge of cloud platform. And at number 5 is AI product manager. So AI product managers lead the development and launch of AI-powered systems by ensuring that they bridge the gap between what users need and the technical possibility. The pay for this role is senior level, so it's very, very high. And to start, you need to learn product management basics, you need to understand AI tools, and know how to use data to make decisions. If you've watched this video to this point, I want to believe you've gained a thing or two from this video. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you've gained a thing or two so far. If you've not met me, my name is Buki, and I am very passionate about helping young people to achieve success in school and beyond. So every week I make it a point of duty to upload a video that is informative, educative, and will give you value for your money and your time. So if this sounds like something you'd like to be a part of, why not subscribe to this video, subscribe to this channel, subscribe so that you can get to build and grow together. At the end of this video, I'll show you that one AI role that you or anyone can get into right now. You can break into even without having a technical or a tech background. So make sure you also watch till that point. You don't want to miss that. Next is AI data scientists. And what do AI data scientists do? These are the professionals who turn data into insights and help to build predictive systems. So this is a well-paying role. You can earn starting from $120,000 annually, and of course that's depending on your specialization. You can even earn more. Of course, this also depends on the country that you're working from. And talking about the skills you need to start in this career path, you need to learn beginner-friendly programming languages like Python, SQL, data visualization skills as well, and tools like Tableau is very good. A knowledge of statistics will really help indeed a lot. And you can learn all of these skills free, paid, or subsidized on platforms like DataCamp, Kaggle, or even Coursera. Sitting at number 2 is AI software engineer. That sounds big, right? indeed it's big, the salary is heavy, it is a senior level role, so you can't expect less. You can earn up to $220,000 annually, and of course depending on your specialty and maybe your country and other factors. But what do AI software engineers do? Just like software engineers, right? But now for AI, right? So what they do is that they integrate AI into products, and they also develop AI powered features. If you have the head for this one, you can start by learning a programming language like Python, APIs, cloud development, and also a good knowledge or a basic knowledge of machine learning and similar skills. And you can learn all of these skills and more on Udemy AI courses, Google AI tutorials, and even Free Code Camp. And number one is machine learning engineer. And what do machine engineers do? They build, train, and deploy machine learning models. This is a high paying role. It is fantastic. It's also in very much high demand in 2026 and beyond. So this is a good one to learn, and you can start from even some of the roles I mentioned earlier, or all other roles that will lead you to becoming a machine learning engineer. You're not going to become a machine engineer overnight, and for some of the roles I've talked about as well. So there's a gradual process, and that's why I've also broken it down to what you can start doing in the what I talked about earlier. So make sure you follow this pattern as well. But this one is very high paying. You can earn up to $220,000 annually, or even more, depending on your specialization and what you can offer, and also where you're working for. As I promised earlier, let me quickly tell you that one AI role or AI job that you can break into right now without having any technical background or any coding knowledge or even any experience at all, and that is AI project coordinator or AI product support specialist. So it's actually quite simple, and I don't want you to overthink it. Don't mind the big grammar. So what an AI product support specialist does is to help teams to manage AI projects. So they collect data, they monitor progress, and also they monitor the workflow and document workflow as well. So entry level for this role, you can be paid up to $40,000 annually or more, also depending on where you're living and all of that, and the company as well, how big their policy is. And as well, you can get remote offers in this one. It's also very, very good if you're just starting your career. Like I said, it's not something difficult, so you can get into it, and there are certain skills that you can also learn to get into this type of role. Start with, you first of all need to have organizational skill, attention to detail, willingness to learn, and also curiosity about AI. So those are fundamental. You need to work on those first before you go and learn some other courses additionally. I'm talking about skills. So project management basics is available everywhere on all platforms where you can learn or get online courses. You can find project management basics there. It will help you. And also AI basics, fundamentals of AI and all of those things. If you want to go further, you can also learn fundamentals of machine learning and courses like that. If you'd also like to know some of the best degrees that you can go for so that you can get the best value for the investments that you make in your education, I have a video where I talked about all of the best degrees that you should study in 2026 if you are going to get admission to university in 2026. The video is somewhere on my left or somewhere there. Make sure you click, watch, enjoy, and I'll see you there.